Hello all, welcome back again to my YouTube channel Zade Academy. Today we are going to talk about a left, mid and the right, which returns a specific number of characters from a location within a text string. In other words, they extract the pieces of text from a larger string. We'll also talk about the len function or length, which returns the total number of characters in a string. So syntax wise, it's really straightforward. They just start with a text reference. So let's just start with the left. Left basically says I want to return a certain number of characters from the left of the string. So if you were to say from the left of the string A to here, or the string within the A2, return the two characters. Excel just going to start at the left of the string and return the first two character that it finds. So here in the output we can see it's Amy. Right works exactly the same way. It just starts from the right of the text from here and works its the way to the left. So if I said the right of this texting in A3 gives me the two characters back, it's going to return ER as an output because those are the last two characters in the string. And then in the mid there there has one additional component to it, which is the start number, and it's basically just what you use is when you want to pull text strings or pull characters out of the middle of a string. So here we are saying from the middle of the strings in A4, I want to start in the position 2 and return the three characters that will return ETH in the output, because E here is begin in the second, it written in the second position in the string. And then last but not least, then LEN, which speaks her itself, just count the characters. So in this case, there are 10 characters within the A5 texting, so it's the output is showing as an 10. So let's jump into an Excel where we have a phone number workbook. So we are gonna do is to create some telephone columns here. So I'm actually going to create three columns, new columns. So I'm going to name them as the first one as the area code in the column B, prefix in the column C. So the spelling mistake in column C, and line number in column D. And here I'm going to define area code as the as this first three number of a telephone number here. So I will define prefix as the second chunk and of the three characters in the telephone number, and then the line number is going to be the last four digits. So we are gonna practice all of the three, left, mid and right, in order to accomplish this one. So for the area code, since it's the first three characters of the strings, I'm going to use a left function here, equals left. So here the A2 is my text reference. So I'm going to press A2, then it's now we need the number of characters. So we have three characters to return for the area code. So just comma 3, close the parenthesis, hit the enter. So we got the area code here. Drag it down, we will get all the area code. Now same way for the prefix, but the for the prefix it is in the middle of the string, so we need a mid function here. So equals mid. So same way the text is going to be the same, which is A2, then comma. So here again the start number required. So start number is basically where's the first characters that we want to return, and it's in the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's in the fifth place. So fifth comma, then what, we want to return the three characters, so 3, close the parenthesis and hit the enter. So here the 287, which is in the middle, drag it down, we'll get the output for all. So the last but not least, which is the line number. So line number is just the last four digit of the telephone number. So we are going to use equals right, sorry, Then the text reference is the same one, which is A2, then comma. So we want to return four numbers from the right. So we have to write 4, enter. So it's 5012, which is the output. Drag it down, we will get all the outputs here right now. So here is all about the area code, prefix and line number, which is described for the simple left, mid and right functions. So thank you all for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel to get more videos on the Z Academy. Thank you all.